The Manchester Science Festival 2015 has officially launched at the Museum of Science and Industry, and it's here for the next 11 days. Now in its 9th year, the festival features over 140 vibrant and creative events. The Evaporation exhibition has been produced specifically for the Science Festival, but where did the idea come from?
Lovelock's Gaia theory of that the biggest creature on Earth is the Earth itself. And she focused on the idea of water as the connective global element that connects not just all nature, but indeed us to nature. We are 90% water after all. So this work is responding to this. What you'll see are 3 bowls that represent the oceans lifted from the globe. And they have their own salt ink solution that evaporates and condenses, leaving its own tide. So it's a reflection on the beauty and fragility of the seas and oceans and the vital importance to them, that as they act as a barometer for the health of the planet, particularly relevant regarding climate change and global warming.
The museum is also presenting a new Cravings exhibition, which will be running until next year. This Food Meets Science exhibition explores how food affects the body, brain and eating habits. We spoke to the curator.
Cravings looks at all of those hidden mechanisms that inform what we eat and our relationship with food. And so that's informed by the latest contemporary science, psychological research, historical research, and we've also got some artistic pieces as well. So the exhibition kind of goes on a journey. So we start at taste, where we look at the aesthetic aspects of food. So there we're looking at, for example, how we can redesign our cutlery to change our experience of eating different foods, how the colour of our cutlery can change the flavour of our food. So yoghurt, for example, might taste sweeter when you eat it off a white spoon. We're looking at how the aesthetic experience of food can change how we appreciate its flavour and its value. And then we move around in the body. So the exhibition basically follows how food travels through our body. So then we go to our brain and we look at how fat and sugar can set off different reward mechanisms in our brain and how that can deregulate our appetite.
So for me, this is the best part of the whole exhibition. It's a massive adult ball pool. It's full of 81,000 white balls, and it's to promote the power of play to inspire creativity, not just in the workplace, but in everyday life. It's very easy to get in, but the hard part is getting down.
It's arrived in Manchester after its non-surprising sell-out run in London and New York. Its aim is for adults to channel their inner creativity and just have some great fun. And if that's not enough to tempt you, there's plenty of other things on offer.
Yeah. So the Manchester Science Festival brings science to life in the most creative ways possible. So it kicks off today and we've got tons of programming over the next 11 days. So tonight we've got Brian Cox in conversation here at the museum. Over the weekend we've got a drones family festival. We've got a whole host of comedy, plays, immersive experiences, family fun drop-in. It's absolutely loads of different things to choose from.
So how many people are you expecting to come across the 11 days then?
I'm hoping for around about 100,000 people over the 11 days. We had about 90,000 last year, so we'll see.
Katie Moffat reporting for That's Manchester.